Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Alexander Lexter Juice na ito po tayo para sa update ni Bel Mariano, mga kaibigan. Yes, kanina po ay nangyari po ang contract signing ni Bel Mariano. Kasama po ang mga big boss ng ABS-CBN. No sugarcoating is saying 3 seconds ago. Congratulations to our superstar who was definitely born to shine. May your hard work and perseverance be rewarded with the success you truly deserve. That is her reply to Pet Child saying, I'm loving Belle's simple look even more as clips pass through my TL cause it shows that she went there purely to enjoy that milestone in her career she just once dreamed of and now a reality. Yes, mga kaibigan, more positive comments from your followers. Behind every woman's success is another woman's success. Congratulations, Belinda and Mommy Kat. She who never gave up. Ayan, and more comments saying, ano pa ba ang sabi ng mga taga-subaybay mo, Belinda, sa mga nangyayari? You are Bel rising higher. Yan po ang kanilang pa-thread kanina pong mga kaibigan bago pa man mag-umpisa ang contract signing po. So yes, mga kaibigan, Bel, she renewed her contract with Star Magic and ABS-CBN today. Congratulations, solid kapamilya. O diba? So yes, mga kaibigan. Narito po ang mga videos ng saan, alam ko napapanood na ito ng iba sa YouTube channel ng ABS-CBN. Pero dito tayo sa message ni Donnie Pangilinan. A message of praise with the one she has grown with in the 6 years they have worked together. So, mapapanood nyo po ang iba't ibang video na yan.
I just want to say congratulations on the contract signing. This is long overdue and very much well deserved. I am so proud of you. I can't wait to see all the projects that you're about to do and how much more you will show the world what you can do. Keep believing in yourself, keep the passion, keep the faith, and nandito lang ako.
Congratulations, Belinda. This is it. As you step now into this next chapter of your career, always stay true to yourself. Let your passion lead you and protect your spirit. This is just the beginning and I'll be cheering for you every step of the way. And I will always be your biggest fan. Alam mo yan. I love you, anak.
Working with Belle for so long, I really can see how much she's changed, how much she's grown as a person, as a woman, as an actress. When I first worked with her, magaling na siya na artista eh. Sobrang galing na niya. But she never stops looking for opportunities for growth and for her to learn.
I want to be known for someone who pursued their dreams. And that's the message I want to leave with everyone. I feel like my purpose is to remind them that they're more than what they're capable of. Just like me, I was just a little girl dreaming to be doing, acting in front of the camera, being able to perform and act, and they can do it as well, to pursue what they want and to pursue their dreams. No matter how many times we fall, there's always one way to go, and that's up.
Malaman, ano ba yung mga gagawin ni Belle? What are the projects lined up for you? Ano yung mga pwede mo nang i-share?
Meet, greet, and buy, of
course. You started with that already?
Yes, we're currently shooting. Di ko po alam, pwede na po masabihin yung iba. Yeah. Oh, yes! I'm gonna be releasing an album. So, abangan niyo po yan. I won't get into details kasi kilala niyo naman po ako. Lagi po ako nagsispoil kapag nagsasalita ako.
So, it's an album?
Yeah, an album. So, that we can look forward to. And definitely, there's gonna be something... Ate, pwede ba sabihin?
Ako na magtatanong. Ito tatanong ko na. Is there a birthday concert?
Yes po. Yes po. Yes po. So, abangan natin yan.
No, naalala ko. That's why I asked that. Ang ganda ng birthday concert last year.
Oh, yes.
Diba, remember?
Yeah.
Tapos parang nagkaroon pa tayo ng parang meet and greet.
Yeah,
tapos no phones.
Yes.
Super fun.
We went around. We really, we really made the time to get to know one another.
Right. Sana ulitin mo yun, yung ganong format.
Yeah, it's really
so,
nice,
no? Phone, diba?
Yeah. We'll make it, greater this time. Mas
I love it. Okay.
So yes, for now, yun po ang sinasabi ng isang Donnie Pangilinan. ABS-CBN PR is saying, Bel Mariano has officially renewed her ties with ABS-CBN during the Forever Kapamilya Born to Rise contract signing event held at the Dolphy Theater Monday, August 18. So kasama dito syempre ay ang mensahe ng kung successful si Bel ay mas successful po ang nanay dahil siya po ang nagpalaki kay Bel Mariano. Congratulations Bel, Alaga Bel Mariano, proud of you, more blessings and project to come and God bless you. Sabi dito, sabi ni Bel Mariano, 14 years in counting. Thank you to my ABS-CBN family, to my bosses, Tita Cory, Sir Carlos, Sir Mark, Sir Rick, and Direct Lauren Jogi. I will always be a kapamilya. And so here is the interview na nakuha kanina. Kasama pala ni Bel ang kanyang mga malalaking brand endorsements. Mga kaibigan, sa big event na ito, kasama dito ang Pond's, ang Dunkin' Donuts, and many, many more. Pero yes, narito po ang interview na ginawa para sa isang Bel Mariano. Kasama na rin ang mga interview ng mga taong nagmamahal kay Bel, mga kasamahan ni Bel sa Meet Greet Buy. And so yes, let's all witness, mga kaibigan, ang pinakamalaking contract signing na nangyari ngayong taon. Siyempre, ang phenomenal actress and superstar na isang Bel Mariano, mga kaibigan. Let's go and watch this.
Where do you see yourself? Don't worry, hindi siya malayo. 2 years from now.
But 2 years?
I know, right? Actually, yun yung tanong ko kanina.
But 2 years po
Hindi man lang
kaya.
5 years or something.
2 years.
So 2 years, you'll be what then?
25. But 2 years po.
2 years lang, Roldan eh, no? Hindi man lang 5, di ba? 2 years.
Oh, bakit po 2 years?
Asa ba si Neil? Si Neil? That's si Neil.
2 years?
So parang quarter life. No, quarter life. Yeah, that makes sense now.
Siguro I'll be doing more roles that is really gonna challenge me as an actress. Maybe that time I may have written, you know, a couple songs na talaga. I don't know what's gonna happen in 2 years.
Weird question. Actress, sabi mo.
Yes.
Paano pag ni-require na kalbuhin ka?
Grabe naman.
Natalie Portman. Right?
Kalbuhin? Oh my God.
Hindi, ganun challenge lang. Parang, kasi di ba, minsan may mga roles talaga na...
Yes. I mean, I think the beauty of acting na is that like you get to portray different roles, and even if it takes you to that challenge
level,
you really have to submit to it.
I know.
Yeah, and that's the beauty of it. Yun nga yung challenge na sinasabi ko. Pero hindi ko kaya magpaalam
I
sa
know.
hair ko. I love my hair.
Huwag muna. Love na ng sunsilk.
Yes.
Diba?
Simulan na natin ang contract signing! And while they're sealing the deal, let me give you a little bit of a background of Belle. From playing the younger counterparts of established actresses to becoming a radiant leading lady, Belle has evolved into one of the country's brightest young stars. TV, films, music, endorsements, and anuman ang susunod for Belle, we are looking forward to the new projects and partnerships that will let us bask in her glow as the new gen phenomenal actress. And there you have it! Our Kapamilya Forever, Bel Mariano!
I'm Bel Mariano and 14 years na ako with ABS-CBN and I am a Kapamilya Forever.
JK, Joshua, and the Diamond Star on the set of Meet, Greet, and Buy.
Wow.
Nabisita ko na yan sila, Belle.
Yeah, ang saya, right? Sobrang saya ng set namin, totoo lang. Para talaga kami maging pamilya. na parang even on and off cam, alam mong hindi kami mapapaghiwalay. I mean, when we first met each other, of course, there was, kinakabahan ako, of course, it's the Diamond Star, it's Papa P, like, Joshua, JK, they're so good at what they do. And parang, they inspire me to want to do better in what I do, even on set. And I'm so happy kasi more than just friends, we actually became a family na.
Did you have a hard time fitting in? Or there was no hard time at all?
Of course there was, pero Derek was really guiding us talaga eh. Kasi I want to differentiate my character now from the previous ones that I've done.
Okay.
You know, and plus, panganay po ako sa magkakapatid and I play a bunso here.
So baliktad?
So baliktad talaga. So sabi ko, paano ba maging bunso? So parang, minsan in-observe ko rin yung bata kong kapatid, paano siya maging bunso, plus unika iha nga. So parang ibang-iba talaga yung dynamic. And Derek's just there guiding me. I take pointers from her. Si Inay, she's so kind. I love her. I love Inay so much because I did my first scene with her, which kaming dalawa lang. Siyempre, nakaka-pressure yun.
Take one.
Hindi ko, may mga takes siyempre. Pero kinabahan ako noon. Sabi ko, hala, paano yun? Pero si Inay, she's so, grabe yung pag-advise niya sa akin. Talagang, naging nanay talaga siya sa akin. Sabi niya, anak, hinga ka ng malalim, tapos i-deliver yung line mo.
Right.
Tingnan mo, mas tatagos yung pag-deliver mo ng line mo. Tapos sabi ko, trinay ko, sabi direct, okay na yun. Then let's go, move on. Tapos sabi ko, wow, ganun pala. It's so nice to be able to work with these amazing actors.
Nina's kind of asking, do you want to explore writing or producing or directing?
Of course. You know, yun nga po, like, I appreciate what we do in front of the camera but also what happens behind the camera. And that's one thing that I also want to venture in, hopefully in the future. Syempre, pag if I'm equipped with the right tools na and I can be available for that type of, kasi syempre iba yung stress dito, iba naman yung stress dun. So, syempre we have to equip ourselves with the right tools. And I'm so happy kasi even on set, we learn from them. I learned from Direk, I learned from our DOP, I learned from the people behind the camera, and what they do is something that I really appreciate and I look up to them because it really takes a village to create something so beautiful. So, I really want to venture. I want to try writing too. Yun nga po, in terms of music, yun yung problem. Kunento ko rin to kanina. Pero, magaling ako magsimula ng music. Pero napapansin ko, yung struggle ko is how to end it. Yes. But I'm so happy kasi nga, I encounter so many amazing composers, so many amazing writers that I take advices from them and I apply it to what I'm doing. So, we'll see, hopefully in the future.
Okay, last question. Ano naman, go sa mga last question.
Yes.
Kanina, I love working with Donnie. Gumanong ka, di ba? Pwede namang like yung gamitin na word, pero bakit love?
Bakit? Wala yun doon.
Wala sa script.
Of course.
Because that word defines that kind of working relationship you have with him.
I think, because we already have that dynamic talaga on set. It really feels nice to work with him, and yun nga, throughout we get to witness each other's growth too. Right. And that's something I love. I love to grow with him too. I love to venture, and nakaka-proud kasi we started Dawnbell 5 years ago.
Yes.
And then now he's doing a project with Kyle, and now I'm doing this project naman with Sina Papa P. And nakakatuwa syempre. And I will always treasure what we do together.
So yes, iilan lang po yan sa mga katanungan na ibinigay ni MJ Felipe kay Miss Bel Mariano, mga kaibigan. Itong live coverage na ito ay umabot po ito ng 1 oras, mga kaibigan, kanina dyan sa Kamaynilaan po, sa isang theater sa Maynila. With, of course, mga brand endorsement ni Bel. At kasama na dito ang pumirma sa kontrata ang mga big bosses ng ABS-CBN. Just imagine 1 hour. Mag-sign lang ng contract ang isang Bel Mariano. Grabe, love na love ng ABS ang isang Bel Mariano. Congratulations! Ilan na ba ang views ng videong ito as of this very moment? Let's go and alamin natin. After 6 hours po na pag-post ng ABS-CBN ay meron itong 26,000 mga kaibigan. So yes, let's see tomorrow kung gaano kadami na ba ang views ng live coverage na yan na umabot po ng 1 oras mga kaibigan. So yes, that's the latest on Bel Mariano. More update coming soon dito lang sa ating channel, Alexander Lexter Jules. Magandang gabi po.